Howdy Claremore High School, I'm Jackson Smith.
I'm Bobby Ruth.
And welcome to this week's ZTV. Starting off, the varsity softball team will be playing a 5A state tournament Thursday night at Devon Park in OKC.
Let's take a look at one of their star players, Grace Weaver, hot on the heels of their success last week.
This season, I think the biggest thing that's helped us get most of the wins is probably having the strong connection that we have. All throughout all 4 years of high school, we've been pretty close, but this year is just, something's different. We have really good chemistry this year. The main techniques that I use to stay focused during the game are just being loud and having fun in the dugout, because if you're not having fun, you can't win. And then staying calm, not overreacting about anything, and just staying focused the whole time. Softball's impacted my personal growth from the very first day I've played it. I've met so many friends throughout this game, and it's really the love of my life, so I don't know what I'd do without it. The qualities that CHS softball has is all the different personalities that we have here. I just love all these girls. Everybody has a different personality, and it just makes it so much fun. I don't know what I would do without every single one of them.
Incredible stuff from our softball players. If you see any of the team in the hall, wish them luck at state upcoming this week.
Speaking of sports, our CHS volleyball team played in 5A regionals on Monday, coming off of an incredible 27-7 record.
But don't just take it from us. Hear it for yourself from one of their star players in an exclusive interview with Ella Ramsey.
The team is doing great this season. We've had our highs and our lows, but that's every team. And we're all doing great, and we work well together. I think this team definitely works together. We're bonded with each other, and we all push each other to success. In preparation for the state tournament, we're definitely practicing hard, which is a given. We're trying to work on just being able to focus with all the crowd there. As you know, that's a very relying factor on how you play. Try not to get them in our minds.
While staying on the topic of sports, last week was a big one for CHS between Prior Hate Week and the KOTV Assembly. Who do you think should have won the Spirit Stick?
Personally, I think we won that thing perfectly fair and square. Let's hear about the game and the News on 6 pep rally from Tommy Knapp.
Hello, Claremore High School. Last Thursday's pep rally riled everyone up and made us raring to go. The cheerleaders, band, dance team, and many other groups put in a great show to get everyone excited for what's to come. Congratulations to Brad for making that touchdown.
Touchdown! There we go. Zebras are on the board. Good job, Zebras. Wow.
Tragic loss for our team, but rest assured, we'll be back for that trophy next year. Coming out of this game, we play Collinsville in the annual Pink Out game here at Claremore. So come out and show your support under the Thursday night lights.
Breaking away from our sports, we've had our block finals these past couple days, so keep those fingers crossed. After today, we're on fall break until next Monday.
Our final story of the day is covering one of our more unconventional, nothing less satisfying clubs, the up-and-coming Slime Club.
Join us for an inside look at these stupendously sublime slime-slinging scholars.
Slime Club is a club that's made to be a safe place for everyone to just chill, hang out, make new friends, and of course, make slime. What inspired me to start Slime Club is just that I've been seeing a lot of seniors make new clubs, and I thought it would be a really cool idea for me too. What you guys should be expecting is that we'll all gather in the makerspace, and we'll have a presentation step by step on how to make the slime. We'll have all the ingredients provided, and all you need to do is bring yourself and a container to take it home. We'll make slime, laugh, have fun, and yeah. Some interesting things that are coming up. We actually have our second meeting on October 22nd, and I'm hoping to make Halloween-themed slime. We are going to be fundraising for grad cords for our seniors and also for more supplies to make the slime. And hopefully we will be selling slime in the Red Hut at the cafeteria. How you could help make Slime Club even more successful is whenever we start fundraising, maybe help contribute if you're interested. Also, if you're wanting to join the club, we do have a $5 fee, so I do need people to pay for that. I think you guys should join Slime Club because Slime Club is just such a fun group of people. We all get together, of course, make slime, and we just have a great time. I've made so many friends through Slime Club, and you guys should be a part of it.
We've really got everything here at Claymore High School.
But that wraps up this week's ZTV News coverage. Thanks for joining us, and make sure you have a wonderful fall break.
Go Zebras!